At the foundation stone laying ceremony of the indoor sports hall at UMLYNGKA in 3rd Mile Upper Shillong, under the Mylliem constituency, Meghalaya Sports Minister Banteidor Lyngdoh had appreciated the MLA of Mylliem constituency, Hamletson Dohling'S, for his efforts to bring about development to the area. Lyngdoh added that the sports hall, which he is hopeful will be a blessing to the youth, would be a diversion for them from various kinds of evil that may be lurking within society. The sports hall will be constructed at an estimated amount of ₹3 crores, informed Meghalaya Sports Minister Banteidor Lyngdoh.
Indoor stadium sitting gallery. Nakaliang ka cuma berkejingbe nakabenta kung no bermerah siya yang tegi development kapo ke constituency kami jungi. Dai na takana berkejing kya ke jungi bangi haban pa bila sutu prosedur mong haban pa sul government ban estimate ni haban pa support planning support finance bagi yo administrative approval. Kadai kejing trai sitong ke jungi ba kadai kejing trai lang ngong ipi bakani ka support long kami. Bak ngits kam bakani ka indoor stadium hong ni kam sitting gallery kan dai shisha ke jingurku ya kinong shong hagani ka UMLYNGKA ba thani bro koi.
The MLA of Mylliem constituency, Hamletson Dohling'S, while addressing the gathering, informed that the construction of the indoor sports hall has been sanctioned at an amount of ₹30 lakhs from the MPLADS scheme through MP Vincent for the extension and repair of the existing field. An additional amount of ₹3.57 crores has been sanctioned from the state government for the completion of the entire sports complex, including the construction of boundary walls, seating arrangement and the indoor complex at UMLYNGKA Upper Shillong.
Badmenta hangni UMLYNGKA jumpi insnava yat kemadan kindon dikendro kinala bat education pe ba bat kunjuru ke stadium bat baru lamang lai crore san pinjula.